Yes. Good morning, children.
Good
So
morning,
here
ma'am.
we can start today's class. As I told
Ma'am, I am
you,
not ready.
I am also ready.
Kashi and Sehara,
Yes,
I,
ma'am.
I told you to prepare some questions.
But
Ma'am, I am not ready because I am in my mother's house. So yesterday, I was packing.
Your sound is echoing. Okay.
Ma'am,
Sehara,
Kashi's audio.
yeah, that is
Kashi's
Kashi's. That is what I am saying. Zara, what about you?
Ma'am, I only told it.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am in my mother's house. Yesterday I was packing my things, so I can't do that one.
Is this an excuse? Kashi and Zehra, is it an excuse? These all is a part of your assessment. Okay. These all are a part of your assessment. So in the report card, you might have seen 4 points there. 5 marks, 4 points are there. There all these marks will be added. So if you are not ready, you will miss some mark from it for the term 2. Whenever it is told to do something, be ready. These all simple excuses. I am in mother's house, father's house. Somewhere there, you are in some house, no? Okay, so children, here we can start the next topic. That is very, very important. So in the first, in this, at the beginning of this chapter, we learned we can divide the animals into groups based on Devananda. Based on
Good habit.
very good. How many? Yeah, Amal Fayaz. How many groups we can make it? 3 groups. Okay, so 3 groups. Their name, the definitions, examples. I think that is all. Yeah, you know about it. Then next one. See, I want to show a picture. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you see this picture, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
you can see a flower, caterpillar, frog, then a snake and an owl, isn't it? This is the picture that I want to show you. Just look at this picture for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, keep quiet. See this picture and you have to explain. I will call some student. They have to explain me what is it is actually happening, what it is illustrated through this picture. Picture comprehension, isn't it? And this in English literature, you have to do comprehensions. One of the comprehension is picture comprehension. Paragraph comprehension will be there. So this one, using this one, you can tell about it. Okay, what it in this picture, what it is really happening. Just think. Yes. Everybody should see that. Rendir. What you are doing there? What you are doing there? You are doing something. Unmute, Rendir. Sit properly, sit straight. See, when you are attending the online class, if you are not sitting properly, that may bend on your bones. Okay, so sit straight, Randir. Sit straight.
Mama, I understood.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I
also understood.
Okay. I understood. If you understood that one, keep quiet. I will call some students for explaining it. Partha, Joseph, Ashwin, switch on your video. Ivan, Matthew, Agnes, Nived, Faihan. Everyone, switch on your video. Yes. Yes. So, Joseph Ivan. Joseph Ivan. Unmute Joseph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
When you
In
share
this,
screen, my labs. Okay.
Joseph Ivan,
Yes,
can you tell
ma'am.
me what you can understand from this? Can you explain what it is showing in what how you understood? Okay, according to that, you can explain it in your own words. Yes. What happened, Parthasarathi? Why are you
Can I
crying?
Ashwin?
No. Joseph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Joseph, can you tell me what it happened? What you understood from it? Where is Joseph? I can't see. I can't see Joseph. Yes. Can you tell me? Fast? No. Okay. So here, Joseph, I'm not getting any answer from you properly. Okay. So next one. Next one. Next one. Yes. Devadat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The caterpillar will eat the flower. The
Okay.
frog will eat the caterpillar.
Hmm.
The snake will eat frog. The owl will eat snake.
Okay. So what you understood from it, Devadat? Hmm. Tell me.
Ma'am, I am.
Wait, children. Wait, children. Wait. Okay. So the thing which this one is explained, it is correct. Okay. Is there any other explanation?
Ma'am, it is.
Anybody got any
omnivore.
other explanation?
Ma'am, it is
Is
omnivore.
Sarah. Sarah.
Ma'am, it is omnivores.
It is omnivores. Everyone is omnivore, isn't it? Are you saying it? Is it omnivore?
No carnivore.
Only carnivores? Huh?
Ma'am, carnivores and herbivores.
Herbivores.
Herbivores and the carnivore.
Okay. So Ivan, Eric, yeah. What you
Yes, ma'am.
understood from it?
Ma'am, I am not.
Ivan, Eric,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me. Yes, tell me what you understood from it. Who can raise your hand? Niranjana.
The caterpillar is herbivores,
Ah.
so it eats flowers, grass-like items,
Okay.
and the frog is
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So children, I think you understood the points, but some more clarity you need it, isn't it? So here in this picture, you can see first it is starting from the flowers or plants. Am I correct? Am I correct? This
Yes.
first the flowers or plants. Plants are the only one which can prepare its own food, as we learned it earlier. Plants are the only one that can prepare its own food. So it is preparing food. Okay. So that plants are becoming the food for which one?
Others.
Becoming the food for
Others.
caterpillar like creatures. Okay. So after that, what happens to the caterpillar?
The frog will eat.
Okay, frog can eat. The caterpillar becomes a prey or food for the frog.
Frog.
Yeah. In turn, what happens to that frog after that?
The snake.
Not only snake.
Become the prey for snake.
Yeah. Okay. Snakes. Frog become a prey for prey. Prey.
For the
Prey
snake.
means animal which become food.
Food
Okay.
for another animal.
Other animal. Very good. So this snakes may eat this frog. So is that snake is free? After it, no. Maybe. Maybe eagle, vulture, like these animals will eat the snake.
Ma'am, mongoose.
Yeah, mongoose. Very good. Mongoose also can become enemy for the snake. That also can make the snake as
Ma'am,
well.
can you show the picture of mongoose?
Okay, I
Excuse
will-
me, ma'am.
Yeah, I will show it. Okay. Yes.
In which
So,
context does a llama goes?
sorry.
In which of the three places does a llama
Llama.
goes? In herbivores or carnivores or in omnivores?
Yeah, three these. Yeah, here it is not explaining about the herbivores are there. These all caterpillar is a herbivore. This frog is a
Ma'am,
carnivore.
can you show the picture of
Yes, I will surely show it. Okay. Frog is also a carnivore. Then snake, owl, these all are carnivores. So here, next picture. Okay, can you see this picture, children?
Yes.
Yeah. So here, three pictures are there. First one, second one, third one. Okay. So first it is the corn. Corn means it is representing a plant. Okay. It represents a plant. Corns, pulses, cereals, grains. What is? So pulses, grains, or these all can become the food for this rat, like that creatures. Okay. Then rat may be becoming the food for owl. And who is talking in between?
Ashwin.
Ashwin, what is your problem? Your sound, it is something is there problem with your audio. Please solve that one. Okay. So here you can see in these three chains. First chain starts from corn. Then after that a herbivore, then a carnivore. In the second picture, carrots. Am I right? Carrots. Then Joseph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Carrot becomes the food for which animal, Joseph?
Rabbit,
Okay. Then rabbit in turns become food for?
fox,
Okay. Then fox
Lion.
maybe become food for lion-like animals, big animals. Clear? Then Faihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The third picture, can you see? Third one. That
Yes.
also starts from, what is the starting of this one?
Grass.
Grass. From the grass, that starts the grasshopper. Grasshopper makes it as its food. Frog can, yes, tell me. Frog can? Faihan.
Yes.
Yeah. What happens to the grasshopper then?
Frog.
Yeah. What happens?
Frog.
Okay, it become the food for frog. And the same, the snake become the food for the eagle, like this, isn't it? So here in
Yes.
children, in these three chains, you can see a chain here. Am I right? Chain. Am I right? Chain.
Yes.
All these chains starts from, what is the starting point?
A plant.
Plant. Okay,
Plant.
maybe sometimes in the picture it is showing fruits, vegetables, pulses, or grass. These all are plant products. So
Ma'am, I am ready with the true or false.
now you prepared it. Huh? While I took class, you are preparing that one. So you will miss today's topic.
I am not preparing. My mother only prepare now.
Very good. So here, children, this one, these chains, you can see all the chains starting from plants. That is very important. All the chains starting from plants. These chains are connected through food. Am I right? Why these animals are connected to each other? For food. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
These chains, here you can see these 3 chains. Before that also, I showed one chain. These chains, it is connected by food. These animals are connected to each other for as their food. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So we can call these chains of animals that are connected for food as food chains. Food chains. Am I correct? Food chains. So today's topic is food chains. Take your rough book. Take your rough book, everyone. Everyone take your rough book.
Mom, I take.
Yeah. Put today's date. What is today's date? Today it is
27.
27
100.
10 21. Okay, 27 10 21. Today's topic is food chains. So food chains, you can see 3 food chains here. Of this, all the food chains means animals and plants are connected to each other for their food. Animals and plants are connected to each other for their food. Like that, chains are called food chains. I will give the definition later. Okay. In this, if we clearly watch these food chains, we can see there is a common factor. All the food chain starts from plants. Plants or plant parts.
Yes.
Okay. All the food chain starts from plants. Okay. So first point. What is all the let me ask to Faihan. Rayan. Okay, Faihan. What is all the food chain starts from dash.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, Sarah. All the food chain starts from where?
Plant.
That is from plants. Okay, very important, because plants are the only one which can prepare its own food. See, just think, we are also depending on plants. Am I right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we are using vegetables, rice, like pulses, cereals, fruits, vegetables. These all are plant products. Okay, so if you are saying that you are eating eggs, meat, milk, that and all, these animals, when we are eating chicken, that hen might have, that chick might have eating which one? Grains, isn't it? Grains. So that is plant product. So plant products, from plant products, it is these animals are feeding on it. That animals, other animals or human beings are eating. So we all have a chain. Just think, at your home, some hens are there. Okay, some hens are there. You are rearing some hen. What you are giving them as food? Some grains. Yeah, some wheat, rice, like that, some grains. So, isn't it? So that is, yes, Devadatt.
Ma'am, plants are also using sunlight, water, soil, nutrients also.
Yes. So
So they are not preparing themselves, right?
using these ingredients, they are preparing food. Using in the presence of sunlight only they can prepare. They are using these all things. Clear? So, yeah, after when we give, Sahara, what you want, Sahara?
Ma'am, I am not well. So I will be off my.
Okay, so children, when we feed the ducks or the hens, which we are rearing them at our home, we may feed them with the grains. Grains are plant products.
Yes.
Okay, so after when we feed, they may grow up for the Christmas or for some other function. Sometimes you may kill one of it, isn't it? And you may eat that one. So you are bringing, you are keeping that grains to that hen and all, and after that you may kill that and you will eat. So the grains which the hen ate, that it comes to your body also, isn't it? Isn't it? So through the hen, you and the grains are also connected. So there is a food chain between the grains which you feed the hen and between you. That is called a food chain. The basis, the starting point of this food chain is also, what is that? What is that starting point of the food chain?
Plant.
Plants. So for all food chain, if we see a lot of food chains, we can see that all the food chain starts from the plants.
Plants.
Clear? Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now,
I have a
now
doubt.
we are going to learn the definition of food chain.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, Mekha.
Ma'am, my doubt is, without a plant, won't a food chain start?
Sorry?
Without a plant or a fruit or a vegetable, a food change would not be there.
No, no, never.
Okay.
Because all the food chain starts from the, see, wait, this food chain. Okay, if plants are not there in it, from where do these rats get food? From where do these rabbits get food? From where do this grasshopper gets food? Then in this food chain, if these are not there, from where do this caterpillar will get food? So will they survive?
No.
They can't eat frog. They can't eat snake. Can a caterpillar can eat a frog or a snake?
No.
No, it can eat only, it is a herbivore, it can eat only plants. So if plants are not there in the earth, will this caterpillar can survive?
No.
Okay, so in this picture, this rat, the rats are depending on the grains, fruits, vegetables like that, isn't it? If these plants, corn, carrot, grass, these are not there, will this rat get food? Will this rabbit get food? Will this grasshopper will get food? No. Can this rat can make owl as its food?
No.
No. Can this rabbit can make this fox as its food?
No.
No. Only this carrots, corns, grass, these only can become the food for these animals. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
ma'am.
So, Mekha, is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Without the plants, there won't be any food chain.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If plants are not there, plant eating animals, can they survive? Can they live?
No.
No. That is what it happens. Wait, that is what it happens during the drought. During the drought means during the, if temperature is so high in some places, there won't be any water. So what will happen to the plants in that part?
They dry up.
Yeah, that old, that there won't be any plant life there. Okay, during the drought season, there won't be any plant vegetations there. So herbivores, that will be the herbivores which are depending on them, that can't survive. They may start to die up. Okay, they may start to die. So what will happen to the other animals which are depending on them? Will they get food? No, isn't it? Isn't it? So likewise, these plants and animals are, who is asking something?
Krista.
Yeah, if you want to ask something, you have to raise your hand. Okay, don't make any unnecessary voice. Yes, Christo.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of python?
Python. Python is a type of snake, Malambamba. Have you heard?
No.
Huh? Yes, that is.
Yes,
Is it clear now?
I don't know what is.
Viper, so many different types,
viper, I know.
cobra, viper, like this, so many
Cobra,
types
it's
of
a big
animals are there. Sorry,
Anaconda.
snakes are there. Okay, so here, we can see, take your rough book, children. So food chain, very important. Plants and what is meant by food chain? What do you know about food chain? What do you mean by food chain? Plants and animals are linked. Linked means connected. Linked means connected to each other by eating and being eaten.
Why?
George, mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Why is it unmuted? Devada, Christo, these
Shut
all
up,
videos are, these all audios are all time it is on. Niranjana.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait. I am explaining that one. At that time, I heard some disturbance. Food chain. Plants and animals are linked to each other by eating and being eaten. So here you can see this. These animals are linked to each other. Am I right? Huh? See, this rat and owl linked. Linked means connected. Why they are connected? Why they are connected? For food. Isn't it? Why these animals are connected? Why the lion is behind a deer? Always. Why these wolves are behind the rabbits?
For food.
Why these rats are behind the vegetables which we have planted in our garden?
For food.
For food. So these animals and plants are connected or linked to each other for food or being food, for becoming food. Okay, so some may be become as food, some may be others may be eating them. This is called a food chain. Is it clear? Is this definition is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony, tell me, what do you mean by food chain? Anthony, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony. What do you mean by food chain? Tell me.
Plant and animals. Plants and animals are linked to each other by eating
and
being eaten. This is called food chain.
This is called a food chain. Okay, Anthony, once again you read it, repeat that one fluently. Anthony.
Plant and animals.
Is it plant? Is it plant?
Plants and animals are linked.
Animals. Read it properly.
Animals are linked to each other by eating
and
being eaten. This
eaten.
is
Full stop.
food
Eaten. Plants and animals are linked. Linked means connected. Okay, connected to each other. How they are connected? By eating and being eaten. Some may be eating, some may become the food. This chain is called, this linkage is called food chain. Clear? Clear? So write down fast. Fast.
Ma'am, I finish.
Fast and read it 3 times there itself.
Ma'am, I finish.
Joseph Ivan.
Ma'am, I read and also
Joseph Ivan. Switch on your video, Joseph. Akshit. Ivan, Matthew. Yes, Akshit, why your video is off today? Okay, tell me. Tell me, define food chain. You have to define food chain. Akshit. Akshit.
Plants and animals are linked to. Yes, ma'am.
Read it. Plants and animals.
Plants and animals are linked to each other by eating, being eaten. This is
Eaten.
called
Food chain. Rishikesh. Yes, Rishikesh. Okay, what do you mean by food chain, Rishikesh? Tell me.
Plants and animals are linked to
Plants and animals, not animal. Whatever it is given, you have to read it completely. For each word, some meaning is there. Okay, for each word, some meanings are there. That is why. Yes, tell me.
plants and animals are linked.
Plants and animals, not only one plant or animal. We are discussing about whole plants and animals of this environment. Okay? Yes, tell me.
Linked to each other by eating and being eaten. This
Mm.
is called food chain.
This is called,
A food chain.
okay. Nived, what do you mean by food chain? What do you mean by food chain, Nived? Nived, fast.
I don't know.
You don't know. You did not write it in your rough book. You did not note down that one.
No, ma'am.
Why?
You changed the board that was.
No, I gave enough time. Don't say like that. I gave in. How many of you did not write that one, children? Raise your hand. Those who did not get time to write. Christo, you did not get time?
Ma'am, I thought you said who all wrote it.
Nived, don't say like this, okay? Okay, I see 2-3 students I called for reading them. At that time, every time I was saying, use that time to note down this. So Nived, write it. Write it fast and read it.
Excuse
You have a
Should
lot
we
of
write
excuses.
connected?
Advait, Agnes,
Should
I-
we write connected? That
Huh?
connected.
which one? No, no need to write connector. That is meaning. Then Ainal Sabah, Akshit, Amal Fayaz, Ameya, Anthony, Ashwin, Christo, Devananda, Devadat, Ivan, Matthew, Ivana, Faihan, Farhan,
Yes, ma'am.
George, Gurujit, Jibichan, Joseph Ivan, Wazim absent, Kashi, Catherine. Catherine, be on time, okay?
Okay.
Lionel also.
Excuse me, miss. I want to ask a question. Are we doing the workbook today?
No.
Ma'am, Ashwin is present.
Muhammad Akil, Niranjana, Nived, Parthasarathi, Randit, Rishikesh, Ryan, Zehra. Except Wazim, all are present. Okay. So children.
didn't call Namzia.
Okay, Namsia. Okay. So children, now it is the time to wind up today's class. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice